Today we're making a 4-cheese fondue with halloumi popcorn dippers.
Such a gorgeous rainy day lunch. It's all cozy inside. And if you need a cozy cat house, look in my other videos for my Mediterranean cat house vlog. But while it's raining away outside, we're going to make this lovely lunch. So we've got our nude popcorn. We're just going to sprinkle in some garlic granules and some black pepper and give it a little stir and leave it to one side for later. And then chop up our cauliflower into the pan, smallest bits really you can do, and pour in some cold water. And we're going to gently boil those with some sea salt and a good pinch of chili flakes as well, just to spice it up a bit, warm us up on this chilly, cold, rainy day. So we want to get a lovely colour on those cauliflower bits, and then keep those to one side while we chop up our mushrooms, chop up our cheese ready. So we've got all those 4 cheeses to chop up ready. Chop up your quarter of an onion. Don't be tempted to do more onion than that because it would just be too strong with the cheese. Lightly fry it, and then we're going to start making our lovely fondue. So melt the butter, put the corn flour in, turn off the gas, make a nice paste, and slowly add in your milk, really stirring slowly as you simmer until you get a really nice sauce that's just beginning to thicken. We don't want to end up with a really thick sauce at the end. So as soon as it starts to thicken, add in your cheese. Oh, it starts to smell so amazing. Some sea salt, black pepper, a spoon of Dijon mustard, and then your mushrooms, and some coriander, more garlic. Oh, it's so amazing. And stir it up. So you can see that's still gorgeous and runny. We don't want it to get any thicker really. So in the last 5 minutes, just add in your onions right at the end, and then turn it onto one side. And then tiny bit of olive oil into a clean pan, chopped up your halloumi, pop that in and get that really gorgeous on the outside. Oh, I love the smell of halloumi. And then what we're going to do is a few of those ready, reheat up our cauliflower a little, put those bits on top of our gorgeous 4-cheese fondue, and then we're ready. Give that popcorn another stir with the garlic granules in. You're ready to set the table. Delicious lunch. And this is from my popcorn sweet and savoury menu cookbook just out. And do subscribe now to Little Rose Garden Books. We've got all sorts of fun things going on.